Are you looking for the perfect miter saw for your next project? We have tested 10 of the market's best miter saws, subject to our comprehensive side-by-side testing. With so many products to choose from, finding which model is right for you is confusing and challenging. There are many products available to choose the best miter saws for you, each with different characteristics. To help you make informed and perfect decisions, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best miter saws for you from reputable brands. After much research, I found these very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Best overall miter saw. DeWalt 12-inch double-bevel sliding compound DWS 780. The DeWalt 12-inch double-bevel sliding compound DWS 780 is a reliable miter saw offering solid cutting capabilities and a good range of features for precise work. Its design is straightforward, making it suitable for a variety of miter cutting tasks, and it's well suited for both professional use and dedicated diggers. The saw is user-friendly, with a simple calibration process, easy adjustments, and a blade change system that doesn't require too much effort. The shadow cut line is a practical addition that aids in setting up cuts with greater accuracy. The model cuts precisely out of the box and tends to hold its calibration over time. It is a good fit for those with enough space to house it and who expect consistent performance from their tools. That said, the Bosch scored highest in cut capacity and second highest in dust collection. If those two metrics are the most important to you, Bosch may be the way to go. However, the DeWalt emerged as our clear favorite in testing and the one we recommend to most people. Number 2. Best bang for the buck. SKIL 10-inch dual-bevel sliding compound MS630500. The SKIL 10-inch dual-bevel sliding compound MS630500 is a reasonably priced tool with impressive cutting capabilities. Capable of executing cross cuts through a 2x12 lumber and a 45-degree miter cut on a 2x8. This saw meets and exceeds the needs of most home DIY projects. It's user-friendly and offers a straightforward experience with features such as easy miter angle adjustments and a detent override. The LED shadow cut line should enhance accuracy and overall craftsmanship. The SKIL 10-inch dual-bevel sliding compound MS630500 ultimately stands out for its power and expansive cut capacity, making it a suitable choice for budget-conscious diggers and professionals who can deal with its dust collection limitations. This model struggles to collect dust effectively with a bag or a vacuum. Dust was flying in all directions, creating a significant mess in the workspace. Furthermore, adjustments with the 2-screw blade depth lock system may prove inefficient and challenging to switch back and forth between cut types. Number 3. Best battery-powered miter saw. DeWalt 20V Max 7 1/4-inch single-bevel sliding compound DCS 361B. The DeWalt 20V Max 7 1/4-inch single-bevel sliding compound DCS 361B is a compact battery-powered saw that sets itself apart with its user-friendly design, power, and efficient dust collection system. Its portable nature makes it an excellent choice for trim work on the go or use in smaller shop spaces where storage is a premium. With features like easy calibration, miter angle adjustments, a shadow cut indicator for precision, and safety-centric blade changes, it's a standout in functionality. This saw is best suited for DIY enthusiasts and professionals who need a reliable portable saw for light to medium-duty tasks. The DeWalt has a below-average cut capacity compared to some peers, and while it can handle most home projects, it struggles with materials larger than a 2x8. For those needing more robust cutting power and capacity, the DeWalt 12-inch double-bevel sliding compound DWS 780 is a worthwhile consideration. Number 4. Best non-sliding miter saw. DeWalt 12-inch single-bevel compound DWS 715. The DeWalt 12-inch single-bevel compound miter saw DWS 715 emerges as a sturdy and efficient choice for those who require precision and potency in their cutting tasks. Its ease of calibration and user-friendly blade change mechanism are highlights, alongside its 14 miter stops for versatile cutting angles. The saw's compact design is an additional perk, particularly beneficial for space-conscious workshops or job sites. Thanks to its effective dust collection system and build quality, this saw is tailored for professionals and DIY enthusiasts who prioritize accuracy and a clean workspace. It's particularly suitable for users handling standard lumber sizes and looking for a tool that maintains calibration over time for consistent accuracy. The saw lacks any positive bevel stops, which can reduce the accuracy of beveled cuts. If these constraints are deal breakers, the DeWalt DWS 780 12-inch double-bevel sliding compound offers enhanced cut capacity and similar precision. Number 5. Best budget battery-powered miter saw. Ryobi 18V1 plus 7 1/4-inch single-bevel sliding compound PBT01B. The Ryobi 18V1 plus 7 1/4-inch single-bevel sliding compound PBT01B stands out for its impressive cut capacity and the convenience of cordless operation. It can perform cross-cuts through 2x10 lumber, which is among the top of its class. The saw also features an effective dust collection system and comes at an attractive price point. The Ryobi is ideal for those who need a lightweight portable saw with a generous cut capacity and are working within a budget. However, the Ryobi isn't without its drawbacks. It requires more frequent calibration compared to other models, which could be a minor inconvenience for some users. It also has fixed plastic table extensions, which may display more wear over time. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier. If you want to know the details of a particular product, please comment. Thanks for staying with Creation Tech.